Welcome to bite-sized tutorials where we break down complex topics into quick, easy to digest lessons. Let's talk about Kubernetes. Often abbreviated as KATE, it is an open source platform designed to automate the deployment, scaling, and management of containerized applications. In the world of modern software development, applications are often made up of microservices, small independent units that each run in their own container. Managing these containers manually across different environments can be a complex and time consuming task. This is where Kubernetes steps in to simplify things. Kubernetes helps by automating many operational tasks. One of the key reasons to use Kubernetes is its ability to handle scalability and reliability. It automatically scales your applications based on traffic. For example, if you experience a spike in users, Kubernetes can spin up more containers to handle the load. Conversely, it can scale down to save resources during quiet periods. Another powerful feature is self healing. If one of your containers fails or becomes unresponsive, Kubernetes will automatically restart or replace it without human intervention, ensuring that your application stays available. Kubernetes also enables rolling updates, which means you can update your application without taking it offline. Imagine you need to deploy a new version of your app. Kubernetes gradually rolls out the update to your containers one at a time. It ensures that the new version is running properly before taking down the old one. If something goes wrong, it can automatically roll back to the previous stable version. Load balancing is another critical feature. Kubernetes automatically distributes network traffic between your containers so that no single instance is overwhelmed with requests. This helps maintain performance and avoid bottlenecks. Kubernetes is also highly portable. It can run anywhere, whether you're using a public cloud provider like AWS or Google Cloud, your own on premise servers, or even your laptop for development with tools like Minikube. This flexibility makes Kubernetes a great choice for teams building applications that need to run in multiple environments. In summary, Kubernetes simplifies the management of containerized applications by automating scaling, rolling updates, and self healing. It ensures that your applications are resilient, scalable, and ready for production, no matter the size or complexity.